Welcome, here I've got Motorola Moto G100 and let me show you how to turn on and off camera location tags at this device. So let's start by tapping on camera button to open it, and for now we are on standard photo mode. From here let's go to right corner button so we can open camera settings, and here we have to focus on save settings category, so let's pick it. Now we can see save location option, so by using the button from the right we can easily turn it off and turn it on as we need, and it allows us to save the information about the place where we take a picture in the details about it. Here also important thing is that to make it work correctly, when we want to save actual location of our photo, we have to be connected with the internet, for example with Wi-Fi or mobile data, and we have to also turn on the location of this device. So remember about these two parameters, location and the internet, to make it work. Now let me keep turning it on all of these settings. Let's move back to camera to take a photo. To see it, let's go to right to the button that follows us straight to the gallery, so this is my picture. To check its location, we have to simply slide a little bit down, and as you can see here we get access to more details with location and the map and the full address. So greetings from Kraków, Poland, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.